Do you have a lot of zucchini in your garden this summer and you're needing some fun ways to use it? Join us today for some fun zucchini recipes that are nutritious and delicious. Thanks for joining us today to make our zucchini pizza. So we have a couple different options for you. This one we have baked in the oven. It's a pre-baked crust made of zucchini. And so it was just our flour, our eggs, some salt, and then our zucchini, shredded zucchini. We mixed this up and then we put it on our pizza dish here, and then we stuck it in the oven at 450 and baked it for roughly 13 minutes to get our crust. So that's how we made this crust. And then these are actually just zucchini that we have sliced. They're about 1/4 of an inch thick. And then we broiled these for 2 minutes, flip, and then 2 more minutes. So, and we sprayed our sheets really good before we baked both these. So anyway, so now you are ready to go with whatever you want to do. We're going to do, these are more of a kid-friendly version. We're going to do some pizza sauce on these. So we're just going to put a little bit of pizza sauce. And then we're going to go back with our cheese. I'll do a few of these just so y'all can kind of see. And then we'll put our cheese on top of this. And I thought it would be fun for the kids to have some little imitation pepperonis, but they're little mini tomatoes. So you want to stick those on there, and they're getting something that's nutritious, but it looks like a traditional pepperoni pizza. So, okay, and we're going to go ahead and do this one. So, and it's just going to be our mozzarella cheese. Whoops, got a little carried away there. Okay, so we're going to put our cheese on the pizza here. And you can use different kinds of cheese. If you don't have, exactly the same cheese at home, you can do whatever you want. And you can use whatever kind of vegetables that you have in your garden. Today we have some different peppers. We've got some tomatoes. And then we are going to use a little bit of oregano and basil. So, and these are dried. If you had fresh, you could use that as well. So you can mix it up however you want to. So fresh, we know, is the most nutritious. So if you can get it fresh, and then, going off from there, you could do frozen, and then canned would be the last one you would want to do if you're going by nutrition. So try to stick with fresh. And today we're excited because we have all these wonderful vegetables from our garden. So I'm just going to stick these on here. You can also, we're going to sprinkle, this was our oregano and our basil. We're just going to kind of sprinkle this around. And we'll do a little bit over here too. I'll go back and finish that here in a little bit, and then we'll show you the final product here in just a little bit. But I used our bigger tomatoes for this one. But whatever you have at home, feel free to do your pizza however you want to. If you don't like something, you just leave it off. And then we'll do some of these. And then we do have some onion over here too. And I didn't do this one with pizza sauce. This one can have a tendency to be, oh, sorry, we're doing onions. That one can have a tendency to be too soggy. So you want your pizza crust to be firm. So that's why we're not doing pizza sauce on this particular one. And really, the more colorful they are, the more nutrients they probably have in them, because the different colors have different nutrients. So, so just put whatever you want on your pizza. And that's basically it. So we will finish these up, and then we are going to put these back in the oven. So, and we will see you here in just a minute. All right, we got these out of the oven. Our mini pizzas were broiled for 1 minute here. And then we have our big pizza. We baked it at 400 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. So we hope this has been fun today, and we hope to see you back soon. Bye.